Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Origin Hybrid Pro mattress. A mattress that utilizes sophisticated German technology and aerospace-grade titanium springs to provide a better night's sleep, especially for those who suffer from overheating. Before we get into the details, let me just say, I was amazed by the packaging. The mattress comes vacuum-packed in a box, and it's like magic to watch it unfold in just a few minutes. However, be prepared for its weight. It might require 2 people to move it around. The Origin Hybrid Pro boasts 8 layers, each contributing to its impressive features. From the cooling and soft polar silk tensile to the aerospace-grade titanium springs, this mattress is a sophisticated piece of kit. The cooling elements, combined with the comfortable memory foam, make it ideal for movie buffs, gamers, and fans of electronic and rock music who want an immersive experience. The cooling properties were a game-changer for me, as I tend to overheat during the night. The design is sleek and modern, and the mattress looks fantastic without a fitted sheet, thanks to its shiny finish and minimal design. In terms of comfort, the memory foam provides excellent padding without feeling too firm or uncomfortable. As for the pricing, the Origin Hybrid Pro is quite competitive in the market. And it's great to see 5 variations available to suit different needs. The Super King variant is a bit more expensive, so keep that in mind while making your choice. The mattress comes with a 120-day money-back guarantee and a 15-year warranty, which is higher than the average. Plus, Origin offers free delivery and returns. During my month of testing, the Origin Hybrid Pro proved to be a fantastic investment. The cooling properties and aerospace-grade titanium springs made a noticeable difference in my sleeping habits. And the best part? There's currently a 40% deal ongoing at Origin, making the pricing even more appealing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a mattress that offers impressive cooling properties and a comfortable experience, the Origin Hybrid Pro might just be the one for you. It's a smart investment for a better night's sleep. That's it for our review of the Origin Hybrid Pro mattress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on various products. Thanks for watching, and happy sleeping!